This is the next trending material architects and interior designers will be using in 2024, and let me tell you why. This is desert board, a sustainable material without cutting trees and created using palm waste by pressing and sticking palm frond pieces together. Termites, not a problem. Humidity, it will be handled. Fire hazards, much reduced. It is incredibly sturdy, offering outstanding durability. You can now paint, laminate and even do CNC design on this board. Doors, furniture, wardrobes, floors, wall panels, ceilings, every need of yours can now be fulfilled. And let's talk about its strength. Desert board's density ensures screw anchor firmly, guaranteeing durability for all your design projects, from heavy furniture to detailed joinery. This board is dense, durable and very reliable. And the cherry on top, these boards can further be recycled at the end of their lifespan. Originating from the UAE, this isn't just a material, it's a statement for a healthier, more sustainable future. Craving more insights on the latest in interior design? Follow me for more first-hand experiences, product reviews and design hacks that are changing the interior world.